Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has dissolved the six-member war cabinet. The forum was formed after the centrist former general Ben Gantz joined Netanyahu in a national unity government 5 days after the Hamas-led terrorist attacks against Israel on October 7, 2023. It was set up as a smaller body within the Security Cabinet, which was part of the wider coalition cabinet. It had 6 members: the Prime Minister, Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, Opposition Leader Benny Gantz, and 3 observers, namely Gantz's partner Gadi Eisenkot, head of the religious party Shas Arya Deri, and Strategic Affairs Minister Ron Dermer. The cabinet was created to make quick decisions about the conduct of war, which would then be sent for approval by the wider cabinet. However, disagreements and feuds were said to be rife within the smaller body. In January, Israeli newspaper Haaretz reported that opposition leader Yair Lapid had told a party meeting that Gallant and Netanyahu were no longer on speaking terms, and that war cabinet meetings had become a shameful arena for settling scores, fighting, and unproductive discussions. Gantz and Eisenkot both left the government last week over what they said was Netanyahu's failure to form a strategy for the Gaza war. Gantz accused Netanyahu of putting his own personal political considerations ahead of a post-war strategy for the Gaza Strip, and claimed that Netanyahu was hesitant in dealing with fateful strategic decisions and was prone to procrastination due to political considerations. He also urged the Prime Minister to hold an election in the coming months. Decision-making regarding the conflict will now move back to the government's main security cabinet. According to Netanyahu, the war cabinet will be replaced by a reduced kitchen cabinet in which sensitive discussions and consultations can be conducted. The Prime Minister was also facing demands from the nationalist religious partners in his coalition, Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich and National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir, to be included in the war cabinet, which increased in pressure after Gantz's departure. Ben-Gvir and Smotrich represent an ultra-orthodox, hard-right constituency within Israel's increasingly rightwards tilting politics. They are also closely associated with the settler movement, which seeks to build on what is Palestinian land under international law. Both leaders also support the establishment of illegal settlements in Gaza following the voluntary migration of the Palestinians living there, a position in stark contrast to Israel's official war policy. Their inclusion would have not only triggered a further lurch to the extreme right of Israeli politics, but also intensified strains with international partners, including the US. By dissolving the war cabinet, the Prime Minister may have also prevented worsening of relations with its partners. Bureau Report, India Today Global.